Hey everybody, this is Isabel from Estim, and today we're going to program a game so you can play with your friends and family with MakeCode. Just before that, let's review some of our coding skills. First, an instruction is when you give an order to your character. A sequence is when several instructions are put together and your character will follow them in the same order. A loop is used to repeat an instruction until its top condition is reached. A condition is the ability for your computer to choose to execute or not the instruction using the code you've built. An event is the possibility to choose when to execute your code. To get the game, go on your internet browser and write Microsoft MakeCode. Then you're gonna need to choose arcades. And today we're gonna program the game Lemon Leak. Here the goal is to keep the lemon from losing all of its juice because the strawberries are there to attack. Let's start this game. First on your left you can see you have your board game where everything you program you'll see the effect. Then in the middle you have all the categories of instruction you can give to your characters, and on your right you have your workspace. So first of all we need to set a color for the background. For this we need to go in the scene section and select the background. Drag the block into your work inside the unstart loop. We need to choose a color. We're going to choose purple. As you can see on your left, you can already see what's been programmed. So we have our purple background. Then we're going to need the characters. Here, characters are called sprites. So go in the sprite section and get the first instruction, set my sprite. And we're gonna go click on the gray area to select our sprites. First, you arrive in the editor block where you can create your own, or at the top, click on gallery and you can go choose the lemon we need. Just like that. So here my lemon will be my player. Then to control the player, to control the sprite, we need to add controls. For this, go in the controller section and drag move my sprite with the arrow buttons. So on your left, you can control your lemon just like this. Then, to keep the lemon from leaving your screen, you need to drag another block. Go into your sprite section and add set my sprite to stay in the screen. Attach that to your sequence and turn this on. Just like that. So if you play with your lemon, you can see now that it's not leaving the screen. Then we need a countdown for our game. Because every time we play, we'll have 30 seconds to play. To do this, go in your info section and drag start countdown to your sequence. And then you're gonna switch the number 10 for 30. This way, our game is gonna be set for 30 seconds. Now we need to add the wild strawberries that are going for the lemon. To do that, we need to go and add a new loop. Go in the game section and select the new loop on game update. Drag this to the side and change the number for 1 second. Then to add the new sprites, go in the sprite section and we're gonna choose projectiles and not a character, not a player. So it's the fourth one. Drag it inside your new loop. And we're gonna choose here, clicking on the gray square, In gallery, we're going to choose the strawberry. So now we have a set of projectiles of strawberries going around our screen. But the strawberries are going in the same line. To make that random so it's harder for a lemon to go away, you need to go in the math section, choose the pick random, and put it instead of the number 50 for our VX number, we're gonna put random, and we're gonna put from -50 to 50. Just like that, our strawberry are gonna go around the screen with a random number. And then we're gonna add the same block for a second number here with the VY direction, and change once again 0 for -50 to 50. Just like that. That way, if you look at your screen, you can see that strawberries are going in every direction. This is way harder for the lemon to be able to go away. Now we need to add the leaking effect of the lemon if it gets touched by a strawberry. To do that, go in your sprite section and choose the last one, drag the loop into your workspace. Here it says on sprite of kind players, this is what we have, this is our lemon, overlaps the other sprite of kind, you need to change player for projectile. So this is our strawberry, meaning when the lemon overlaps the strawberry. We need now the effect. Go back in your sprite section and add the second one, my sprite start effect. So now you have a number of different effects. Here we have the spray. It could be confetti, smiles, anything. But we're going to keep up with the spray. Click on the plus sign and change 500 to 200. This way your lemon is leaking less longer. So you can see on your screen, if a strawberry overlaps your lemon, it sprays. And you can see now the effect. To finish our project, we just need a scoreboard. To do that, go in your info section. Select change score and drag it inside your overlap loop. This way, every time your strawberry touches your lemon, points will be added up. So you are now done and you can play with your game, trying to avoid the strawberries so your lemon doesn't leak. And you can see the points on the top right. So at the end of your 30 seconds, you can see your score and try to do a better one every time. You can even challenge your friends and your family to play and beat your score. I hope you had fun. If you like this game, you can also go back and there's plenty of more tutorials to help you create games. You can even create one from scratch and add anything you'd like. So I hope you had fun today, and I'll see you next time.